Hello guys, good morning. I discovered a new earning sites na they pay you when you give a rate with sa kanilang give a rate with their what you call that, with their items. Pag ni-rate mo siya, bibigyan kanila ng babayaran kanila ng 30 something dollar, mga ganyan. Then pag login mo pa lang, unang login mo is mayroon ka na kaagad na total revenue na $5 for free. Dito guys, wala akong babayaran. All you need to do is to give a rate with the items na ipapakita nila, with the logo na ipapakita nila, ibibigay nila sa'yo every day is 3 items ata yun. Babayaran ka nila, tiyaga lang yung kailangan. All you need to do is magtiyaga para maka-earn ng money dito. Ako kaka-umpisa ko pa lang, so I am in level 2 pa lamang. So I have earnings na nakikita nyo naman, $8.04. Pwede mo siya, you can withdraw it here in, pwede mo siyang i-withdraw sa PayPal, sa USDT, and Skill. Sa Western Union, pwede mo din siyang pero may mga guys, may mga minimum amount bago mo siya ma-withdraw. Like dito sa PayPal is minimum amount of withdrawal is $50. Kailangan maka $80 ka bago mo siya ma-withdraw sa PayPal. And kung gusto mo naman siyang i-withdraw with Western Union, ang minimum amount naman na kailangan mo is $100. Tiyaga lang guys, tiyaga lang yung kailangan dito. Everyday, pwede mo siyang gawin. All you need to do is to rate all the items, all the logo na ipapakita nila. Maybe sa isang araw is nagbibigay sila ng 3 to 5 logos na all you need to do is to rate, maglagay ng rate sa items na yun. So guys, ano pang hinihintay mo? I-grab nyo na yung bagong earning ways. Wala ka namang babayaran, wala namang mawawala sa'yo. Kasi wala kang ilalabas na pera dito. And then, pag login mo pa lang is may free ka na kaagad na $5. Equivalent $5. So ngayon, kaka-office pa po lang kahapon. Then, ngayon, 2 days ko, ito na siya. Ito na yung aking earnings, $8.04. Yun na po siya ngayon guys. So, what are you waiting for? This is all for free. No cash to be out na kailangan mong ilabas, na kailangan mong i-invest. Kundi free lang po ito. Bagong-bago po ito guys. So, grab it now. Bye. Thanks me later. Bye-bye.